Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramon, and in this video I'm going to show you how I transform my garage lighting from this awful lighting to this lighting. This looks really good and I love it. It's bright, it's illuminating, it covers every corner of this place really well. I believe every garage, regardless of what you use it for, if you use it for, parking your vehicles or using it as storage, basically, kind of like what I have doing right now, storage slash shop, you need good lighting. Every garage deserves it, right? And these lights that I have here, I'm telling you, they look really, really good. Take my word for it, they are phenomenal. They are made in China, so I don't know how long they're gonna last. I guess we'll see. I'll do an updated video maybe a year from today, reviewing their performance and whatnot. But as for right now, they're looking really good. So let's head back to a more dull Ramon with poor lighting and see what he got going on. So the current lights that I have, they are a little bit too warm for me. And on the Kelvin scale, what I would like in terms of temperature is something close to daylight. I believe that's either 5600 Kelvin or 4600 Kelvin. That is just perfect for what I need. And the lights that I got from Lowe's are exactly that. And first of all, disclaimer, I am not sponsored. I'm too small of a channel to get sponsored by anyone at this point. So I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just think this is a really good deal and you should definitely cop it. I'm gonna see if I can find a link for it on Lowe's and on Amazon as well and throw them up there. I will not be working at night because it's obviously dark outside. Right now I will not be doing that. I'll be tackling this in the morning. So I will see you guys in a split second, but for me that's a couple hours. Alrighty guys, I'm back and now it's time to install these daylight LED lights. Let me show you what let me show you how they come packaged before I just go ahead and pull it out. It was like that. And I open it up. This is what it looks like. Pull the sucker out. Yeah, this is really cool. And like I said, this is 12,000 lumens, as you can see here on the box, if you can. 12,000 lumens. The ones I currently have, I believe they're 3,000 lumens, or either 3,000 or 4,000 lumens. So I know this is gonna make a big difference once I install these. Current lights that I have installed are not any lamp holders. They are LED, but they're the small LEDs, so they so bright. If you can see it, but pull it out of here. Yeah, okay, hold on. This is basically what I'm gonna have to install because the ones I currently have is not like this. So I'm gonna have to install this in the ceiling and then screw the other, the new LED lamp into this. Alrighty, and obviously before you do any kind of work with electricity, make sure you turn that breaker off. Because if you don't, you're going to be at risk for getting shocked. And no one likes to get electrocuted, right? Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so got everything turned off. What I need to do now is just figure out how to take this thingamajigger off. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. Looks like pretty normal stuff. All right, guys. I brought my voltage tester. If we'll go into focus. Yeah, I got this voltage tester, which I'm gonna use to test to make sure everything is off. I'm gonna show you how it works. All you do is just basically get it and tap it on. Should tap it on all the wires actually, but the black or the red one is the main ones because those are your hot ones. So this definitely is still hot. So you get nothing from the green and the ground and the neutral, but definitely from the hot something's coming out. So I'm gonna flip the breaker and then you can see that we have no voltage running through here, which is what we want because we want to remain secure. All right, so let's just go ahead, get these removed. So here's a lamp holder again, and what will be happening is you're gonna put the red or black on the gold screws. And then you're gonna put the other ones on these silver screws over here. All right? So red or black, which is the hot ones, goes on these ones, and then the other ones goes over here. All right, you guys, just got this one installed. I should probably test it. Probably turned it on, but I'm gonna leave it off because, no, let me test it. Let me test it. It's a bad idea to not test it. All right, let there be light. Nice, 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 nice. Bro, that's bright. That is really bright. Okay, so that was cool. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that breaker off and attack the other one right now. Looking nice.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and don't.
All right, guys, this is the big reveal. This is what it looks like. Like I said before, I'm raving about this. I love it. You should definitely check it out. And if you're planning on doing some sort of installation like this, always remember, practice safety first, because nobody likes to get electrocuted, right? If you have any other suggestions regarding other types of lights that you recommend or lights that you have in, please let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you guys currently have in your garage. If you have the old school lights that come with the garage, or you've changed it out, you know, updated it to better lights similar to these. Also, if you can consider subscribing, that would be greatly appreciated, and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for stopping by.